Yes, person will lead the party for the rest of their omunya kunyano lutu sika corruption so much say and oma pekana na aresi ba no anye ohia for party bi opeso di president just utia 4 billion opeso a member of parliament 250 million titi sika no nti eba ne sa na it means MPP a tradition chese a capitalist uni sika kodule mu and which omwetimi aya etimi edim kunim by NDC ohia for the ankona but almost say no the adane capitalist nti National Liberation Congress no mamu alternative and we see a party Jerry John Rawlings endorse ya sebi ansa na onya ne baby eko
na na some of you are kamwa kumapa mo basa mo driving the cause of the NDC ni kwa ni musa no motena wo ye hwenhan ma nipa bi a wo mu alpha party ne ye ne sa
omude your friend is saying odwan atade ene share na mum no mo yesebo so the time you realize e too late because aba no omo pese party no omo the adani business entity so mbenya the leadership who say politics your business it say enti me kan so na say NDC ni bia ote hon ma wa na adwen say NDC be we ni about 2024 there omo tumundan kope baby nda because NDC me say
this is a big statement at bigger.
I am telling you, say, if Jim Manson even makes a mistake and declares, God forbid, NDC even win at 2024, I bet you, say, Ofosan Pofo and the rest and Kona Labimo, they will go to court and file for a petition, say it was a mistake. Why do you
think so?
I am saying that because, look, if I'm John, I will advise John Dramani Mahama, say,
that
he should never contest election again in this country.
Why?
He should be grateful and bow down out of politics and enjoy his retirement because there is no way John Dramani Mahama be the president will have with the
are you a prophet or you are a seer who sees tomorrow from today?
So your friend is saying thank you to no
yes.
Onu nim se oda nkrofo ase se omuto aba man ba mo mudi ekire no da ase se omodo omo ase se omato aba na omahwi aba na gu
one is nkrofo no mudi ekire a omo da sa ase
no some pofo no omo mudi John Dramani Mahama chinyina fake. Remember the agenda to punish John Dramani Mahama started say 2016 no
anka ene de yombe so mo koye demonstration ni bia no anka Minister of Interior ne employment ministry for ne ade no na anka ya tete omo a omo boa no omo be mema on announcement na yate ekufu ado se wate ma o makasa dodo opeso ma mo etwuma hairdresser fo a mukura mo certificate mu nyina ha carpenter fo a mo certificate mu nyina ha mo a mo wie JSS mu nyina ha mo amuwie SS munyina ha obi amfa ne set me donyame sanko obeto wurem me se me anka sa na meye no na eno no ye ba ne ye bisa certificate no ye no ye de be ma militia for na ye because some say revolution nti ye ma police for nko no ma ko je bribe da bi ye de soldier for na be ko ho na o ma ko bisa o mo nti ye frɛ wa Avramose wo so pe adwuma ye yo ya te me pa cho qualification e den me pa cho you know ajire na anya adwuma body ne na bere da bi mpatwa ya ne ebisa yes say wo qualification ne dan Avram na wudi anim se mo pa adwuma yo ya pese ya mo wa adwuma wo qualification officer me patwa mene boy na me ye common sense family common Avram wo certificate ya wo de pa adwuma wa he honorable me pese me TV station intina me be gina ejimi sa no me sere mo fa ncheme Captain Smart bra wo certificate wa he me pa cho me ye radio presenter sa into wo de wanya adwuma ye da bia wo ye adwuma no Ghana fo ye adwuma wo ho sa okọ ho no animanim ya fa nipa me anu bi wo mo wahu officer yes they pick new assistant which means that it's an ongoing process. Now why ye beba wo so babunu fo no me na meba na ye be bisa wo say wo certificate wo he wo JSS uko JSS me pa cho Unya aggregate 95. Yo. Also be adwuma wa he. Me pese me ko immigration. Enu ntina wo shetai no. Pepacho I yo. Immigration yemfa aggregate 95 nko ho. O certificate wa uni bi. Nanka san krofo ni na ye de abosia. Oh military style. Ye de abosia gu ho. Ne ya mo man nili down wo mu de anante akwati aba no mo to nyom revolution no ma to soldier for nyom na kire soldier for no. Me se me nkasa tumi ni wo me se man kasa na me yes ejimi for we. Because Ghana, I am 100% asma making. I'm so confident in it because minim say boys now go street no so no. We 100 emu 95 any qualification I would jane so onko ye bibi obey bibi. I'm telling you. Because me some more qualification I made to me the anya adwuma. What the hell am I doing on the street calling say yeah mama aprapra na me that is why I'm doing a demonstration. Me sing kasi station me donya me sanka memma e soldier for na chichiom na wo ni certificate no wo mu di dokono tramo chinam ne agimi samunti enti yahugu abonten say ekoyedem kadri amebema ya dri omo no na wahu de we ku di tatie wahu de we soldier for beje man a omo ye action kakra wahu de tie me ya bire bi yesi mindware me si mindware me to one ye ko free militia for by na me had the farm ni so no there is no day I'm mindware 2 times that na say na my lazy mi so no me nana mama militia for babu wo mama militia for na me didi agro militia me si day I go free militia me mindware keke me si mindware na me ye me jimi ani me ti kondo na me papa every chire mindware and ye free militia for bre me efono me e pascal me enti no wako jimi na woni certificate no na nka ya frɛ mo samati ase fa certificate bra wo ye hairdresser wo certificate wo he wo ye baba wo certificate wo he o me de minimitre yi pa wo certificate wo me ni bi nti say aba na ye be fa baba for de o mu atukwan a wo certificate a wo de kwa wo he wo ni bi nso wo say fix the country hey wo certificate ya wo di yitre wo he a wo ni bi kade we ya be ma military for na dre omo no over military easy. You guys think this military thing here esi wo gini no mo dwen say ya gro. Some of you man be who revolution no me man be who bi o ba me beti na ma hwe who documentary so it was nothing pretty. Me wo ma me fuo bi wo page so a anytime I mention about this revolution they ma fam some of them they cried even to date. Eya wo aye ma me ne ye nananom famu. Wo nana pese wudi dinti wakofa ne ama eton kakra yesi o hode na ya chire na ya ye na yakayaka de ya wro ma ho. Soldier life is what you want, Ghana youth, with your lazy self as a Ghana youth. You want a military government? Mr. Baden, you late today, welcome. With your lazy self as a Ghana youth who feels lazy to even dissect the common information that is given to them to ascertain as say a no cre and I say no cre. Oh, say me there, yeah. Well, NDC me, yeah, the NDC near the way, and the NDC now. Oh, sister. Nti NDC international NDC no more number we see NDC. Eh? What are you people doing? Ghana for Ghana youth or my penny be about or can say obey one district, one factory. Ghana, we are all there. We saw what NDC said about one district, one factory. Don't let us forget who. We all remember exactly what they said about one district, one factory. Na Ghana ni and they will come market here. Sebe. Where who be akran ye free be eku juice, ekumfi juice. Where who be akran ye wakasa the Europa project, sebe product. Biti said they broda ye di potato na ye. Eye kuafo Ghana kuafo na bedo potato no adwuma. Womu ebese ombeso ade aba adwuma. Womu ebeye potato ihu adwuma. Ghana